In this video, I'll show you 5 of the best text animation presets in After Effects. First, we need to add some text. We do this by selecting the type tool, left click and add your text. I've already added mine and duplicated the same text across 5 compositions to make sure we don't waste time on that. Then you can also adjust it to your liking. Then open Effects and Presets window, go into Animation Presets, Text, and here you'll find folders containing a lot of different presets, and I'm going to show you some of my favorites. So let's go into Animate in folder, and the first one is going to be the good old Typewriter preset. We just drag it onto our text. An important thing to note is that the animation will be added after the time indicator. So if I select the text there and press U on the keyboard to see the keyframes that have been added, the first keyframe will be added at the point of the time indicator, and the second keyframe will get added sometime after that. Now, in order to adjust the speed of the animation, we can move the second keyframe either forward or backward in time, and there's our Typewriter animation. For the number 2, we have the slow fade on. It's also in this exact folder. Again, we just drag it onto the text, and this will make the text slowly and smoothly fade in. Next, we have the scale in from point, and this one is in a different folder. If we scroll down, it will be in the scale folder. Once again, I'm going to add it to the text. So this is what we get by default, and this effect is best combined with motion blur. We can enable it by checking this icon. If you don't see it, click toggle switches on mode and enable it from here. Also make sure that this toggle is on. Now we have motion blur applied to the animation, making it even smoother. Also, this preset is slightly different because it gives us different controls in effect controls. So this is what we get by default. It's animating from the middle. If we set the scale animator point to 0, it'll actually animate from the left to the right. Then we have the evaporate out. It's also in a different folder inside of the blurs folder. And this one has a slight catch to it. So let's first add the evaporate out to the text. And by default, you'll see that it will make the text disappear, and we want the exact opposite of that. Luckily, we can easily change that by selecting the layer, press U on the keyboard to see the keyframes, select both of the keyframes, right-click any of them, go into Keyframe Assistant and select Time Reverse Keyframes. Now the text will actually animate in instead of animating out. And lastly, we have the 3D Rotate In by Character X. This one's quite a unique one, but not too gimmicky. It's in the 3D Text folder. So this one's the one that we need. Add it to the text. And this will make the text do a 3D card flip animation. It looks pretty cool. So that was 5 of my favorite presets. Thank you guys for watching.